Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale has a blue exterior and a two-tone brown and black interior with really nice wood grain trim throughout as well. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back of the vehicle here. And we have our Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 and 4MATIC badging in a power opening and closing trunk. Plenty of storage space back here. But you can also easily lower those rear seats if you'd like for even more storage space. This vehicle is equipped with the premium Burmester sound system throughout, and you also have heated seats throughout. So again, that wood grain trim. And rear seats here. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Memory seats for both the driver and passenger side, as well as heated seats. You can see the controls here, as well as that premium Burmester sound system again. Driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, also outfitted with the wood grain trim. And go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. And so you can see mileage is currently at 21,477, and we have a push button ignition. And here's our Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. This vehicle has the 360 cam on top, so you can get that overhead view. Really helpful. And climate control here. Here's the command module for controlling everything on the display. And the shifter. Let's take a quick look at our center console here. This vehicle also has the customizable LEDs throughout. Just add further more customization. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos, getting any information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.